a 2018 flagship or a 2023 premium mid-range device. So which one has got more power? So we'll not be doing any pointless benchmark tests or app opening tests, because it doesn't make any sense. Instead, we'll be using some intense task which most of the device or even the top flagship might break a sweat. So yeah, I'll be editing some 4K videos recorded using this camera, that is Alpha 6100, which is very good when it comes to 4K video recording. The bit rates are very high, the quality is very good. And first we will we'll import 4 4K videos, 2 recorded using this and 2 recorded using my VIVO Next, and then I will just combine the clips and then export it. So we'll check the times taken for exporting and importing both, and then we'll see how much time each device takes to process these files. As you can see in the video, VIVO Next is a clear winner here. Not by a great margin, but still it wins. One of the reasons which I think for this is VIVO V27 is powered by MediaTek processor. Even though it's a 5nm, usually MediaTek chipsets are weaker when it comes to GPU compared to Snapdragons. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel if you liked it. Give the feedbacks in the comment section, positive, negative, so that I can improve my future videos. Until I see you in my next video,